Trust and Will has helped over 1 million families protect their legacies with our easy, affordable online platform. Our guided process, state-specific documents, and live member support ensure every client has what they need to create an ironclad plan for the future. Our plans are ideal for clients with under $5 million in assets that don't have a taxable estate or need more complex services like special needs planning or irrevocable trusts. Both our will and our trust packages contain a last and will testament, living will, advanced healthcare directives, HIPAA authorization, and financial power of attorney documents. Our trust package also provides a schedule of assets, certification of trust, pour-over will, and a revocable living trust for additional coverage. Advisors use their Trust and Will dashboard to share their referral code and track and support their clients' estate planning journey. As a client, you can take our quiz to help determine which plan is best for you. Once you create an account, we ask you a few basic questions about yourself and your family before you purchase your estate plan, like your relationship status, your children's names and birthdays, and so on. We offer you a year of legal support from an estate planning lawyer in your state to help you with any questions or look over your documents before you make them legally binding by notarizing them. You'll then confirm your order and finish completing your estate plan in a few more steps. You can share with us your financial advisor's information so we can invite them to view your completed documents. Then we'll walk you through all your important decisions to build each section of your estate plan, one step at a time. First, you'll pick a guardian and backup guardian for your kids. Then, if you're setting up a trust, you'll choose a trustee to handle executing your wishes. Next, you'll add your assets. We'll walk you through adding everything from real estate, cars, bank accounts, and insurance to heirlooms and precious mementos. If you have any questions along the way, our top-rated member support team is on hand and ready to help. You can get in touch with us anytime with our handy chat feature, or send us a message and we'll get back to you quickly. Determining your distributions is next. You can designate charitable donations, decide how you want to distribute your assets amongst your children or loved ones, or set aside specific gifts for people. Once you've worked through your distributions, you'll make your end-of-life arrangements. You can add custom requests to reflect your individual wishes, such as a song you might want played or a note for your family and friends. Your final planning decisions are around healthcare. Who do you want to access your medical records, and who can make decisions if you can't? Once you've completed all the questions, your documents are available instantly in your Trust and Will account. If you're setting up a trust, you can use our trust funding guide to transfer your assets, retitle your real estate property, and ensure you have everything you need to finalize your trust. You can download them or share them through Trust and Will with key people in your life. Your packaged real estate plan will arrive at your door in a few days. Once you have it, you need to get it notarized to make it legally binding. Schedule a notary and 2 witnesses with our mobile notary option, or find a notary in your area to get the job done. And finally, with our Plan Strength feature, you can come back at any point to make updates, improve your plan, and ensure your legacy is secure.